Hello, in front of me I have got Samsung smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to wipe all data from your smartphone before selling it. To wipe data from your smartphone, you should consider factory reset. In order to perform it, let's go to settings and now go to general management. Scroll down and select reset. Scroll all the way down and select Factory Data Reset. Here is the list of all data that will be erased from your phone. Select Reset, confirm with your pattern or password, and it's done. After this, you'll have to set up the smartphone again and everything will be erased. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.